Let's take a look at this phone. This iPhone 12 Pro's 2x camera won't open. After repairing the motherboard power supply, the 2x still doesn't work. So we suspected that both the motherboard and the rear camera had faults. We measured the 3V power supply to the rear camera's 2x lens and found it shorted. We took out a working camera for comparison testing. Normally it should show several hundred resistance, around 0.75, but the fan's 2x lens is indeed short-circuited. We had already repaired the motherboard's 3V power, but that still didn't fix the 2x issue. After further testing, the 3V line inside the 2x lens module itself was also shorted. We protected the 1x and 0.5x lenses first, then preheated the surroundings of the 2x lens. This camera is glued into a metal frame, so we needed to remove all surrounding glue. Question: what phone do you use, and what problems have you had? After removing the glue, we carefully heated the area and used a blade to pry up the 2x lens. Okay, this is the 2x rear camera. After removal, we cleaned all glue inside the metal frame and the lower area, so the new camera could sit flat and neat. Once clean, we applied a ring of base adhesive the same way the factory does. Then installed a brand new 2x rear camera. We sealed the sides with original style black glue and cured it. Now the perfect 2x camera replacement is done. Flip it over. Perfectly centered. Okay. We removed the lens protector and took out the motherboard fan's note. They also wanted to upgrade storage to 512 gigabytes, but we suggested not to. Why? Because the motherboard is slightly bent. We compared it with a metal frame and clearly saw the bend. So for such phones, we don't recommend capacity upgrades. We cleaned the motherboard thoroughly. Applied new foam pads and stickers. Including the backside. Okay, the motherboard beauty treatment complete. We cleaned the chassis and reinstalled the motherboard. Cleaned the rear camera lenses and reinstalled them. Reattached the metal frame and screws. For this kind of fault, both the motherboard and parts could be the cause, but both failing together is rare. We connected all flex cables and tightened screws, installed the SIM tray. Cleaned the housing again, removed the speaker to access the battery. The fan wanted an original diagnostic battery replacement. We cleaned the battery slot, then took a brand new genuine Apple battery. Which came with new screws, installed the battery, cleaned again, and reinstalled the speaker. Finally, we cleaned the remaining adhesive around the frame. After removing the large glue, we carefully cleaned small dust and residue, then applied new waterproof adhesive, cleaned the screen back edges, installed the display, first connected the earpiece flex, then the display, touch, and battery flex cables. Installed the metal shield and screws, cleaned one more time, then removed the waterproof film's protective layer, removed the Face ID protector, closed the screen. Placed the phone in a press tool for sealing. After successful pressure sealing, we took out the phone and installed the 2 bottom screws. Because we replaced the original Apple battery, we needed to enter post-repair configuration, press volume up and down, don't release, plug in the charger, connect Wi-Fi, and agree. Now the phone is in initialization mode. On the computer side, open the Diagnostics and Configuration tool, select System Configuration. Now the phone starts pairing the new battery with Apple servers. When complete, it shows pairing finished. Okay, we used a wattage measuring cable to power on the phone. After booting, we entered the fan's password to check settings. No warning pop-ups for battery or camera. Battery health shows 100%. No pop-up. Under About This device, no camera alerts either. Battery shows genuine Apple part. Note, replacing 0.5x or 3x lenses won't trigger pop-ups, but if those are damaged, it will. However, replacing the 1x will trigger a pop-up. We tested the camera. 2x works fine now. 0.5x and 1x also switch normally. Photo quality is clear. No black spots. Here's a tip. Many models can use non-original or salvaged rear cameras without pop-ups if you attach an external flex cable. Lastly, charging works normally. Thank you for watching. Have you learned how to repair a phone camera like this?